Some places are simply somewhere to stay, and then there are places that become part of your journey. Welcome to the Lookout Guesthouse in beautiful Uvongo, a boutique coastal retreat thoughtfully designed for rest, reconnection, and real adventure. Here, the ocean isn't just a view, it's a rhythm, and everything about this space moves with it. Now, this isn't just the guest house. It's your calm after the current, your base between boat rides, your reset before the next chapter. Created for divers, ocean lovers, and international travelers, the Lookout blends modern design with coastal charm, honoring both movement and stillness. Now, whether you're chasing tides or chasing quiet, this space supports how you move. With just 8 individually styled ensuite rooms, the Lookout offers a boutique experience that feels both intimate and elevated. Each room has been carefully curated to reflect the serene beauty of the South Coast. You'll find private and beautifully designed ensuite bathrooms, quality linens and plush towels, ocean-inspired decor, natural light and ventilation, and air conditioning for year-round comfort. There's also tea and coffee facilities, free Wi-Fi, peaceful spaces to recharge after a day in the salty air. Now, these aren't just rooms, they're soft places to land. For divers, the Lookout speaks your language. Early breakfast to match sunrise dive schedules. An on-site heated training pool. Everything is designed around real rhythms. Early dives, salty hair, sun-drenched skin, and that quiet post-dive stillness. And with seamless access to local dive partners, this becomes more than accommodation, it becomes your dive base. Beyond the rooms, the lifestyle unfolds. Spend your afternoons beside the pool. Relax on the terrace with ocean breezes rolling in. Gather in beautifully designed shared spaces that invite conversation or solitude. It's relaxed, it's refined, it's coastal living elevated. The mornings begin with nourishment. Flexible breakfast options include buffet selections, warm dishes, fresh fruit, and vegetarian or vegan-friendly choices. Thoughtfully prepared and often locally sourced. Whether you're heading out early or staying slow, your day starts well. Hospitality here is personal, authentic, thoughtful. It's connection, not transaction. For divers, for deep thinkers, for ocean lovers, or for anyone who needs to pause before beginning again. The Lookout Guesthouse, Uvongo. Comfort meets the coast. So book your stay and let the journey unfold. To book this stunning place, check out the link in the comments section.